Dell has brought with it not only the newly revamped Dell XPS 13, but also a brand new take on its larger model, the Dell XPS 15 2-1. This revision not only features more powerful innards across the board, but never-before-used inputs for an even more modern feel. Considering we already quite liked the previous XPS 15 model, giving it a 360-degree hinge and an optional 4K Ultra HD display powered by 8th generation Intel Core processors with AMD Vega graphics built-in should only sweeten the deal. We'll reserve full judgment for a complete review, but know that Dell has quite a versatile powerhouse on its hands. The laptop weighs 4.3 pounds, 1.97 kilograms, to start, with higher-end options likely to add a few ounces. To us, the laptop doesn't feel much heftier than a 13-inch MacBook Pro, impressive for a 15-inch laptop with a touchscreen. His new keyboard technology also allowed Dell to introduce more thermal headroom for the XPS 15 2-1 components, as well as a new type of insulation from Gore. This insulation directs heat out of the device better than other solutions to allow components to operate at higher temperatures. The new Intel meets AMD processor that Dell has placed inside the XPS 15 2-1 makes liberal use of this extra headroom, thanks to a new sensor hub that determines performance based on the use case at hand in regards to cooling and power. This sensor hub works in tandem with software on the processor to make those decisions for you as you're using the laptop.